Welcome. Today, we're diving into student grades using Power BI. First, we define grading criteria because guessing grades wouldn't be ideal. Next, we use Power BI functions to crunch numbers like pros. Then we create visualizations to make performance trends obvious. Finally, we interpret these insights because data without interpretation is just digital noise. Let's go. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. A Power BI is a game changer for student grading. We start with an overview. Think of it as your superhero toolkit. Why Power BI? Because spreadsheets are great until they are not. Then we explore key features that help us make sense of all this data. Finally, we see how Power BI makes grading easy. No more number crunching nightmares. Garbage in, garbage out, that's why data sources matter. We explore different data sources because good data leads to good decisions. Accuracy is key because wrong inputs lead to hilarious but tragic miscalculations. Connecting multiple sources ensures a complete picture. Finally, maintaining consistency keeps the analysis reliable. Let's get our data ducks in a row. Time to get data into Power BI. We start with importing methods because dragging files is fun, but there's more to it. Different formats. No problems, Power BI handles them all. Data integrity is key because bad data leads to embarrassing errors. Finally, we set up tables like pros. Let's make data work for us. Imagine a world where grades aren't just numbers but colorful insights. Conditional formatting lets you bring data to life, whether it's highlighting top performers or tracking improvements. We can use colors, bars, and icons to make grades visually intuitive. With customized formatting, teachers and students alike can grasp performance trends in seconds. Say goodbye to staring at plain spreadsheets because numbers should pop. Data is great if you can find what you need. Filtering and sorting allow educators to pinpoint key insights effortlessly. Want to find your top students? Sorted. Need to focus on struggling learners. Filtered. Custom sorting helps tailor grade analysis, ensuring data works for you. Let's make numbers dance with filters and sorting magic. Dashboards turn boring spreadsheets into dynamic insights. By combining charts and tables, grades become actionable information. Interactive elements let us dig deeper into performance trends, while real-time updates ensure data stays fresh. Why settle for static reports when you can have an engaging dashboard experience? All right, we've covered a lot today. First, let's quickly recap the key points, because let's be honest, no one remembers the first slide by now. We've explored some important insights, and now it's time to actually use them. Knowledge is great, but action, that's where the magic happens. I encourage you all to take that first step, whether it's implementing a strategy, reading more, or simply sharing what you learned with a confused coworker. And don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. There are plenty of resources available to dive deeper. Let's make these insights count. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.